So this question is about leopards and leopards of Rajasthan. So yes, definitely it's quite intriguing to see that leopards, especially in Jalana, leopards in Bera, in several other parts of Rajasthan around Udaipur, are living very close to human habitations. In fact, it's a very bouldery habitat, high bouldery habitat, and you have a very healthy population of leopards right next to villages. In fact, they live up in the boulders in the day, and in the evening they come down to pick some domestic animal or anything they can get their hands on. So it's definitely quite a unique thing. But let me tell you that there are leopards in Bombay as well, and barring the early 2000, there is hardly any conflict situation in Bombay. In fact, the last human death happened in 2017, and there was one before that, about 3-4 years before 2017. And there are more than 40 leopards living right inside Sanjay Gandhi National Park. There are several, in fact, 5 to 6 leopards living in the RA area, and there are hundreds of people, hundreds of families, thousands of people in the RA area. Plus, there are several villages along the periphery and inside of Sanjay Gandhi National Park. So, Rajasthan, definitely it's intriguing because it's out in the open. You can see them, and so people have realized that these leopards are not doing anything to humans. But remember, leopards are found pretty much everywhere in the outskirts of Nashik, Pune, Bangalore, Delhi, all these big cities. There are leopards. You keep hearing about leopards entering human habitation, and you do see photos of hundreds of people crowding around a leopard or a leopard charging a human being. But that is an aberration. There must be around over 10,000 leopards in India. Could be 12,000, could be even 15,000. We don't know the exact figure, but it's definitely about 10,000. And a lot of them are living in and around human habitation. And so if you look at the country on the whole, and you look at human-leopard conflict, actually, it is infinitesimally small compared to the population that can cause conflict. Because leopards, unlike tigers, are far more adaptable, so they can live closer to human habitation. In fact, they do well even around humans because they are smaller size. A adult female leopard could be about 35 to 40 kgs. A male leopard could be 60 and slightly above, could reach up to 70 kgs. Because of that small size, they can survive on small prey. And because dogs and their population has exploded because of the garbage that we throw around our cities and villages, there is constant supply of food for them. And so leopards do exceedingly well around human habitations in sugarcane fields because they have enough place to hide, and there is water in the fields and the food in form of dogs and cats and piglets. And so if leopards were prone to create problems, we would have had 10,000 attacks every few days. But you have comparatively hardly any. In fact, if I can count on my fingers, if you count the number of leopard attacks per month in the country, it is extremely small. So Rajasthan, yes, people talk about it, but it's because it's out in the open and you can see the leopards, and therefore you feel, why are they so friendly? But leopards in most areas don't like human beings. They just find it easy to survive around human habitations. But there could be a leopard. If I was talking to you guys from a forest, there could be a leopard within 50 meters from me and I would not know all day. And so it's a myth that carnivores like leopards, tigers, or snow leopards, or for that matter, in the oceans, we talk of sharks, that they are bloodthirsty. And so if you see a shark or a lion or a tiger or a leopard close to a human being and not attacking them, people express, they feel surprised. Actually, there is no need for surprise. These animals, or that matter, any wild animal, would want to stay away from human beings. So attacks by such animals are actually outliers and not the norm. So Rajasthan is not an outlier. It's probably true of that species anywhere in the country.